LeRoy and Lewis is a barbecue truck in South Austin, Texas. We opened in 2017. We do what we like to call new school barbecue. Try to expand the menu of what people traditionally call Texas barbecue. We have beef cheeks that we smoke and then confit. We cook whole hogs in a Southeastern American style. This is all kind of offcuts and fun, adventurous kind of barbecue style. Everything starts with sourcing. So sourcing locally, getting as close to the animals, close to the farm as possible. I worked at other barbecue restaurants where I would just get tired of opening boxes and boxes and boxes of beef. So the idea was to bring in whole animals, break them down ourselves, specifically for the barbecue pit, because that's gonna perform on the barbecue pit to that low, slow, dry barbecue heat. The thing we're most known for is gonna be the beef cheek. So we prepare it a lot like a brisket. It's seasoned just with salt and pepper, it's smoked, and then we put it into a beef fat confit, and they just come out like a little fist-sized piece of fatty brisket. We slice it, it's delicious, it's crusty, it's smoky, has all the things you like about brisket plus more.